Hey everyone! If you're looking to unlock your body's full potential, calisthenics is your golden ticket. Why? Because it's all about mastering your body weight to build strength, flexibility, and incredible endurance. Let's dive into some of the best calisthenics moves that you can start doing today. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these exercises will challenge you and help you achieve that dream physique. First up, we have the classic, pull-ups. Pull-ups are phenomenal for developing upper body strength. They target your back, arms, and shoulders, all while engaging your core. Start with a standard grip, and as you get stronger, experiment with wide grips and chin-ups. Next, let's talk about push-ups. Not just your ordinary push-ups though. I'm talking about variations that can seriously elevate your game. Ever tried archer push-ups? They not only pump your chest but also involve precision and balance, giving you that extra edge. Now moving on to the lower body. Pistol squats. These are single leg squats that really test your balance and lower body strength. They're tough but incredibly effective for building unilateral strength and stability. And we can't forget about the core. Planks might seem simple, but they are the powerhouse of calisthenics core workouts. Challenge yourself with side planks, one-arm planks, and even plank walks to keep pushing your limits. Lastly, let's spice things up with some dynamic moves like burpees and muscle-ups. These are not only about strength, but also about explosive power and cardiovascular health. They'll get your heart rate up and push your body to perform at its peak. Remember, consistency is key. Combine these exercises into a routine, practice regularly, and gradually increase your intensity and complexity. You'll be amazed at how transformative calisthenics can be. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, start moving, and unlock the incredible potential of your own body. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next video.